Okay, so whenever y'all ready.
Okay.
Okay, well it's filming. So whenever.
Hey everybody, I'm Ed.
And can we start over?
Go.
If we have to.
Go ahead.
Hang on, let me pull my skirt. And now I'm gonna have to give Barbara the part of the glass that she doesn't need. And that's disappointing.
What'd I do?
You just squeeze too hard. You have to stop it right at the hole because there's no matter what you do, let me show you what happens. Watch it, hear it, feel it.
That's why I'm not the glass cutter.
That's right. Reservoir, you got your water.
But it's a different piece.
Yep. It has to be because you messed that one up. And
You're gonna cut it.
and we're gonna try it and
Because
see
I
what happens.
can't do it.
You can do it.
No, I can't.
You can.
I can't.
It's very simple if you'll take the time to drill a hole with a $3 drill bit. So think about that.
Oh, I'll think about it.
Just that one drill bit's $3. The whole set's like 10 or 12. But believe me, it's worth it. This technique. This technique applies to.
I'm sorry.
Actually,
That was my
until
first
today,
hole.
that was her first hole. We want to see Barb drill another hole. I'm going to put some water in her reservoir for her.
We don't need to.
And we want Barbara to
No,
drill. Let's drill
no,
another
no,
1/8 inch hole.
No,
Let me just.
No.